Shalom. This relates to a bird flu summit, October 2nd, 3rd workshop in DC, I believe. Some articles related to this. All right. This location is DC, October 2nd, 2024, 9 a.m. October 4th, 5 p.m. Pretty much a workshop discussing protocols and certain matters. There's examples. Bird flu is what another name, avian flu or influenza, avian influenza flu. Emergence of a highly virulent strain of bird flu affecting both white cattle and humans. So it's a workshop discussing about matters of protocol and different things that's going to be happening. Protocol of different, possible situations or things that could. I was looking at a JW video. He was, let me see if I can get parts of it. All right. This is the International Avian Influenza One Health Emergent Issues Summit set for fall of 2024. Fast Facts, free in-person online event address the bird flu research, scope of avian influenza support expanded to include emergent issues. I guess forms of preventive protocols potentially relating to this. Cases in dairy cattle herds and a human reported in March 2024. This is just a few reports or articles. So this is this fall relating to this summit. This in Washington, D.C. from October 2nd to October 4th. Let me see if I can find some of this video relating to what he was talking about. So he's talking about these areas that we're talking about: emergency management services, law enforcement agencies, first responders, public works, hospital emergencies, which is medical services. So you have management services, you have law enforcement agency services, you have first responders, public works services under public works, you have hospital emergencies, and which would be under medical services, 4 categories. Information. This is a video, JWT video. He brings out good information about certain things. This is what I was talking about, the bird flu summit. So, maximize the standard holders, engagement, community preparedness and response, continuing planning business and operation, early detection and rapid response, effective therapeutic strategies and comprehensive V's and treatment plannings. And this is pretty much workshops talking about that. That was a JWT report, and you had Man Truth put out a video relating to let me see, talking about what was it? Let me see something. Let me just find it. Let me just find something. A website talking about People's Voice TV, Men in Truth, various on Men in Truth, runs Men in Truth talking about relating to video, relating to possible a certain thing that could happen, in a matter of speaking. So you have this summit, October 2nd to the 4th. You know what I mean? Plus they bringing out, you know, videos relating to CDC warning, plus this summit this fall. So, you know, I ain't speculating too much and adding to it, but you know, it's kind of you know, a close coincidence, or you know, how you want to put it. But you know, anyway, this is relating to the timing of it. I guess would be conveniently questionable, in a matter of speaking. I'm just bringing out information. This is relating to this report here, the People's Voice, which is an article. CDC warning about certain things relating to certain things that could happen that could affect the majority of the populace, the holy poly of the people, the citizens. Let's get a scripture real quick. the rock. Let's get 5 and 15. I'll get it from NLT. Scripture talks about be not ignorant of anything in a great matter or small. So that relates to not ignore or be in general of certain matters, whether great or small. Luke 12 and 2. The time is coming when everything that is covered up will be revealed, and all that is secret will be made known to all. 12 and 2. So certain things are being made known, certain things are being revealed, certain things are being exposed, secrets, things that were hidden, that was in the dark, is being made manifest, being made known. 8:17 Luke. Page 17 of Luke. For all that is secret will eventually be brought into open. So things are secret, dark, hidden, it's going to be made open. Like a book, opened, revealed. That everything that is concealed will be brought to light and made known to all. So it's going to be exposed, manifest, made known. This is something short. I hope it relates to, hope it helps relate to information. This is Zaya Wolf. Give all praise, Y'all Bashim Yasha Bashim Rakakadash. Hope it helps relate to information. Shalom.